Today I will customize a Model 62 AJQ. In order to accomplish that, I will add a J2 media adder, which is 0.4 cubic feet of calcite, to the Model 62 AMQ and make a few other modifications. As you can see, I've got the unit already plumbed in. I am using shark bite fittings to connect the equipment to the plumbing. Make sure you verify with your state and local plumbing codes to verify that the fittings, shark bite fittings, are okay to use in your area. I do have the water supply turned off to the unit, and I also have the unit placed in the bypass position. The Model 62 AMQ comes standard with a 5 gallon per minute drain line flow control. The Model 62 AJQ requires a 7 gallon per minute backwash rate. So the first order of business is going to be to change out your drain line flow control with the 7 gallon per minute drain line flow control. Using a large flathead screwdriver, simply screw out the retainer. The retainer will hold the flow button in place, and with a small Phillips screwdriver you can pop the flow button out. Okay. Set the 5 gallon flow control off to the side. When replacing with the 7 gallon per minute flow control, you'll notice on the flow control there is a rounded radius side that also has the numbers on it as well. It'll say 7.00. That side goes in facing the flow of water. Okay, once it's in place, go ahead and put the retainer back in. Now you can go ahead and connect your drain line. I'm using a barb fitting. I'm going to screw into place. You do want to use a hose clamp on your drain line. Go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, once that's in place, we can now go ahead and add our media, which is going to be 0.4 cubic feet of calcite or a J2 media adder. With the 3/4 inch socket, we're going to remove the fill plug. And we're going to add the media using a funnel. Simply insert the funnel into the port and go ahead and add your calcite. Once you've added the J2 adder, go ahead and remove your funnel. Make sure there are no media fines in the threads on the media tank, and replace your fill plug. Go ahead and tighten it down. No need to over tighten the fill plug. I do recommend letting the calcite soak for a little while. So if you have an RO installation or an RO to install at the home here, go ahead and install the RO and then return to the unit and put the unit through its paces. You can go ahead and program the computer board accordingly. This is now a Model 62 AJQ. When you refer to the specifications in your manual, you will want to look at the 62 AJQ settings. The Model 62 AJQ will remove hardness up to 60 grains compensated. It will remove iron up to 5 parts per million, and also will elevate pHs as low as 6.3 up to neutral. Calcite will dissolve over time, so you will want to set your customer up on a 6-month or annual maintenance to replenish the media.